Hello, how are you doing? My name is Terkon and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a program that allows me to learn how to earn money online. And also, I'm going to show you a live proof inside of one of my accounts that this program allows me to earn over 8K in US online working from home using my internet connection. So if you're interested in making money online from Jamaica or anywhere you are in this world, I'm going to show you the program that I'm using. This program allows me to earn while learning. So watch this video and I'm going to show you live proof inside of my account that this program allows me to earn over 8K US online working from home. Okay? So guys, this is it. I'm here on one of my account. I'm going to log in to show you live proof that this training system allow me to earn while learning. And this training system, this is the training system I'm using, and it allow me to earn over 8K in US. So I'm here logging into my account. I want to show you guys that this account is a real account, and I'm not here to show you guys fake thing. I'm here to show you guys that this does work. And if you're interested in making money online, all you need to do is click the link in the description and check this training system out. I'm logging into my account to show you live proof that this training system does work, and it allows me to earn over 8K US online working on my computer using just an internet connection on my computer. As you can see right here, $8,155.87. Pending amount is over $300. As you can see, August 3, I earned $100 US. August 7, which is today, you can see it's $38.80 right there. So if you're interested in making money online and you don't know where to start, and you need a step-by-step system that will teach you how, all you need to do is click the link in the description and get started with the same training I'm using. This training allows me to earn money while learning. As you can see, this is the training system I'm using, and it allows me to earn over 8K with ClickFunnels without promoting ClickFunnels. So if you're interested, click the link in the description and get started with the training. Okay? And guys, if you have not yet, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And remember to click the bell icon. That's when I upload any video, you will be notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. Okay? Have a nice day. And remember to click the link in the description if you really want to earn money online from home.